Welcome you back to the channel. I'm down here at the sign. You seen in a couple videos ago, sanding and painting the metal part that goes to this. Now I'm gonna get this part back looking good, and gotta get it done today because they are itching to get some fall decorations. So I'm gonna prime some of this. I've got the primer I had the other day is for wood, metal, plastic, and more. So I got this. I'm gonna prime a little bit, and then we're gonna hopefully I can find some caulk and re-caulk a little bit. And now this is down here at the road, so you may hear some traffic. It's farm stand is open. If somebody pulls in here, I'll have to quit filming. So here you go, primer. All right, I want to see if I can find some caulk. Normally I leave my camera set up. I don't want to leave it set up down here at the road. So let me mark where I got it so I know it's covered. That way I kind of know where to sit up in the same place, kind of. But I might move it around if the sun changes. All right, we'll go. That'll dry pretty quick. I'll probably put a coat on it. I need to find some caulk. I didn't think about that before I come down. Like everything else, I think. So I think I got some more of these lights, so we're going to replace those after we get it painted. I might go ahead and take it off. Anyway, all right. I'm gonna go find some caulk and we'll be back. Got this caulked and put a little primer in certain places. Took a whole tube of caulk to do this. So anyway, I got my paint here, and we're gonna put a coat on it. Paint it. You probably don't want to see all this, kind of boring. So we'll get the first coat on, and we'll let it dry, and we'll come back and we'll look at it, and we'll probably have to put 2 or 3 more coats on it. It's been a couple of days. Actually, I painted this one day and it rained the next, and then something happened. So this is about the 3rd day. So I've put I think I actually put 4 or 5 coats of paint on this thing. That paint is cheap. It ain't no good. I got it at Rural King for $24. Supposed to be outdoor, semi-gloss. I don't know. Finally, it does look better than it did, so I'm just gonna go with it. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is replace these lights up here on the top of the post, and I've got some new ones here, and we've got these things probably about, I don't even know how old these things are. Maybe even 15 years old, but this is new in the box. So we bought them at a discount like we usually do. We seen them there. I think we got them for like $1.50 each. And we was gonna put them on a deck or something, but we never did. And so now I put them up there, and they last for a little while. Now these spotlights down here, I guess they're probably 3 or 4 years old, and they still work great. And they're just old cheap things I got at Home Depot too. So anyway. All right, so let's get this one done and put this one up. And these are solar activated LED. Got rechargeable batteries. All right, so let's get the first one off and get the new one on it. Let's swing over and get the other one. And there's cars coming, so. I think I actually modified this reflector on that one. Let me check this other one. Okay, I'm gonna do these numbers next. And then I put about 6 coats on our big sign, and we'll show it when you get there. It looked like there was one little spot there that didn't get real good, so I did it about right before I come down here. So hopefully it'll be dry time we get these numbers on. Right over there worked because it had a lot of corrosion on the battery. I hope I can find these holes here. I probably should have painted these. I didn't think about that. Oh, I know what it is. It's just got paint over it. That's what I feed the pigs with, and it'll wash it off. Check my metal sign and remember what I did with the bolts for it. If I can find it, we'll I know where the sign is. I hope I can find my boat, so I'll be right back. So that's the grand finale right there. It does look a whole lot better, I have to say that. All right, call this one a wrap. I'm gonna get out of the way. I think the girls will want to do some decorating down here. I don't know what exactly. We picked a bunch of pumpkins back here. Let me show you them real quick before I close out. And then I gotta clean my mess up. There's still a few. So I think we got about, I don't even know how many we got out of that one little volunteer plant there. But I think what she's gonna do, and I think we seen this in Vermont. I think they did it last year. They put them right along the top here, and it looks really good. She put one up. The one I stepped on the other day, I went ahead and harvested it, and didn't hurt the pumpkin, just kind of broke it from the vine. And she put it up there, and it looks really nice. So when they get all this done, I'll give you a little picture of it or a little video, quick video of it in one of my other videos. So this is a Monday video, just a quick one. So appreciate you watching. Here's the final product. Probably have to bring some mulch up here when they get ready and remulch the front anyway. Need to do the back, but I can't with that pumpkin down there. So all right, appreciate everybody watching. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, support your local farmer. We'll see you down here in the farm next video.